Excited for iOS 18? Updating your iPhone is straightforward. Let's get it installed quickly and safely. The first thing that you can do is to free up your space. Check Settings, General, iPhone Storage, delete old apps or media if needed. Make sure that your iPhone is at least 50% charged, or better yet, plug it in. Third, do some backup. Go to Settings, Apple ID, iCloud, iCloud Backup, tap Backup Now. This is very important. Now let's get iOS 18. Go to Settings, General, tap on Software Update. You should see the iOS 18 update listed. Tap Download and Install. Enter your passcode if prompted, agree to the terms and condition, and you're good to go. Your iPhone will now download the update. This can take a while depending on your internet speed. And that's it. Your iPhone is now running iOS 18. Enjoy the new features!